Hi, I'm Dr. Paige, and this is my assistant, Ernest. Today we're going to talk about whether to have your dog in a harness, a collar, and if a collar, what kind of collar. Typically, my recommendation is that we want to have your dog in a well-fitted harness. What does that look like? That means that all extremities have full range of motion. So I'm not a fan of the harness that's going to clip your dog in the front of their shoulder so that they can't move their arm. Now, what's the benefit of a harness like that? Well, you then make it so that they don't pull. But the problem is that over a long period of time of them not having full range of motion of their shoulder, it's going to create chronic issue in the long run. Now let's talk about a collar. For most dogs, a collar is not my recommendation, only because it pulls on their neck, which then I end up seeing them at the chiropractic office from repetitive stress of their neck getting pulled on. But there are some exceptions. For instance, Ernest here, he walks on a collar. And the reason why is that if you put him in a harness, he won't walk. He refuses. And he's a retired show dog, and he was taught properly how to walk on a leash with a collar. And so he'll walk next to you, and you don't have to worry about him pulling at all. Some other instances where a collar might be a good option, I actually have one of my dogs on a pinch collar. Now, as a chiropractor, you might think, what? That is absolutely insane. But the reason why is that I don't make any corrections with the pinch collar. As soon as she's on the pinch collar going for a walk, she doesn't pull. She knows that when she goes far enough that the pinch collar starts to give her just a little bit of tension, she stops and eases off. You would not see me making any corrections with the pinch collar. So that's my tip for today. If you have any questions, reach out to me at drjessicapage.com.